Hi everyone, and welcome to this video tutorial on how to change your Tenda Wi-Fi password. To change your Tenda Wi-Fi password, open a web browser and type 192.168.1.1. Press enter, and you will be taken to the Tenda router login page. If you have never logged into your Tenda router before, the default username and password are both admin. To change your Wi-Fi password, you need to navigate to the wireless settings page. Enter your new Wi-Fi password. Your new Wi-Fi password must be at least 8 characters long and must contain a mix of upper and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols. Once you have entered your new Wi-Fi password, click the Save button. Your router will now restart and apply the new settings. Once your router has restarted, you will need to reconnect to your Wi-Fi network using your new password. That's it. You have now successfully changed your Tenda Wi-Fi password. Thanks for watching this video.